can. So
Methane from oil and gas is accelerating climate change. Methane doesn't live long in our atmosphere, so if we stop methane from oil and gas, things will cool off. In an 11-month period that ended in April 2024, this site showed up on methane detecting satellites 22 times. I visited this site twice in June, once in September, and once so far in October, and there has been no improvement. Monitoring methane from space is not stopping methane. Since 2014, I've made well over 400 complaints with video evidence to state and federal regulatory agencies with little response. Even when there is a response, the pollution continues. Regulation has not stopped methane. I have a question, and our survival depends on the answer. My question is, if methane satellites and regulations do not stop methane, what will stop methane?